Alright, if your key's stuck on your Subaru Outback, this is a 2016, because of your parking switch, I'm going to show you how to fix it. Takes all of like 5 minutes maybe. First of all, you got to get your shifter knob off of there. Gentle, gentle. Use something softer than what I'm using, probably. Got that off. Pull this little clip out here. Don't lose the booger, you'll never find it again. Take the spare magazine for your concealed carry out of the console. All the other garbage out of there. This will pop right off now. Pop these side boogers off. They'll come right out. Be gentle. Don't ham fist this stuff or you'll break it and you'll wish you'd never started. Same with this guy. Use something softer than what I'm using if you don't want to damage it. Get it under there. Pull this guy up. These are little boogers here at the front. You'll tend to break those tabs off if you don't lift these out correctly. Like that. And then the important part, this clip up here that you can barely see, there's 2 green wires. You need to put a jumper between those 2 wires. I used a paper clip where I took the plastic off of it. If you want to figure out something else, feel free. It's hard as hell to get down in there. That's the hardest thing you'll have to do. You do that, and all of a sudden your key will come out again.